welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to make flawless pancake, and all the ingredients are just at the back. So all we need is the premix pancake powder and egg. We also need oil and of course the water. So ato ra ni siyang i-add everything. As you can see guys, my face is so oily because I just woke up. I woke up like this. So now we're going to add all the ingredients, starting with the powder, the egg, and oh, hi there Zirsha, that's my little girl. Now let's add the oil. Actually guys, you can use any premix pancake powder that's available in the market. So there you go, Zirsha, and of course the water. So let's add everything. Let's mix everything, so mix. Actually guys, sometimes I don't follow instructions. Sometimes I add more to the ingredients, just like this one. I added some water, so this is perfect. Look at the consistency guys, that's the perfect one. So let's go, let's start cooking. We're going to need a Teflon non-stick pan and this one, buton si tawag ani, basta flat. Flat na sandok. So let's go. So first, let's put the pancake mix in a measuring cup. But wala man may measuring cup guys, rice cooker cup ray na so okay na kebs. So let's start the ball rolling. Actually, daghang kinangutanan ako, what's the secret of a flawless pancake? Oh, you see? Oh, mo na siya secret. Pak. Okay. Pak. So actually guys, the pan is already preheated while we were dancing. So the reason nga ako to siyang gi-wave is to neutralize the heat of the pan, so that kung magbutang na sa pancake, dili siya mapagod, it will not get burned. So this is the tricky part guys, in adding the pancake mix on the pan. Make sure that the fire is just low, and when you put the pancake mix on the pan, make sure that it's not too much. That's why it's also important guys, the right consistency of the pancake mix. Do not over mix. So as you can see, it's already bubbling. So remember guys, do not leave your pancake unattended. Be patient, because I believe in a saying, patience is a virtue. No, slowly. Ah. Oh, diba? Wow, magic! Oh, diba? Flawless dili. Let's start assembling our pancake guys. So for today, I'm going to add some strawberries. And actually, ang naka-nice aning pancake, no? It's so flexible, so whatever toppers or syrups you'd like to choose, you can choose. You can also add some chocolates, but for now, by my daughter's request, I'm adding up strawberry syrup. I also added some confectioner sugar on top and a butter. So here you go guys, my flawless pancake. Enjoy, happy cooking!